doing? Don't push it. Stop pushing the ottoman. Hey, muscle man. Nathan, don't push the ottoman anymore. Why you have to push it? Huh? Don't push it. Don't do it. Where are you going? Ooh, you got all the way through. Nathan, what are you doing?